The negative aspects of filing bankruptcy are fairly well known, mainly that it will make borrowing money more difficult. However, we do bankruptcy to make things better, not to make things worse, so there must be some benefit to filing bankruptcy. The most obvious is that debt is eliminated. Bankruptcy also allows the filer to keep property that might otherwise be lost, such as repossession of a car or foreclosure on a home. Bankruptcy allows a borrower time to get current on home loan payments or to complete a loan modification process. It also allows you to reduce the amount paid on a car loan to the value of the car rather than the full amount of the loan. Plus, you get to pay interest at an interest rate that is very low, about the same as prime rate. For someone who owes way more money on a car than it's worth and has a really high interest rate, like when you go to a buy here, pay here car lot, bankruptcy can significantly lower your monthly car payment and save you many thousands of dollars. Another benefit is the ability to protect your paycheck and bank accounts. Creditors can garnish wages and seize bank accounts after attaining a judgment against you in state court, but filing bankruptcy will stop those actions. When a bankruptcy case is filed, an order called the automatic stay goes into place, prevents any further collection activity, including harassing phone calls from creditors. People who are considering filing bankruptcy usually are dealing with an avalanche of problems, whether it's loss of employment or medical issues that cause financial distress. Being hounded by aggressive creditors isn't helping. Filing bankruptcy stops the harassment and allows you to regroup and gain a fresh start on your life. So while there are negative aspects to filing bankruptcy, the many benefits outweigh the negatives. If you have any questions regarding bankruptcy, feel free to contact WM Law for a free, no obligation consultation with an attorney. At WM Law, we are here to help.